I went to a restaurant and the waiter said, "How do you like your steak, sir?" I said, "Like winning an argument with the wife." He said, "Rare it is." Don't forget, comment your dad jokes down below. Right, so hello again everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your Fire Stick look completely different. If you're somebody that thinks Amazon's interface looks a little bit cluttered or you don't like seeing all the recommended stuff on there, then I'm going to show you how you can make it look completely different. Right, so that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's crack on. Right, so I'm going to make this video as fast as possible, very easy and simple to follow. And at the moment, as you can see, this is the normal Fire Stick layout. But if I go across to here and click on this app, this is the Wolf launcher, but you've also got different options of which launcher you can use. It's literally all down to personal preference. And then I'm also going to show you an app you can install, so every time you start up your Fire Stick, it will start up straight into that launcher if that's something you'd want. Right, so let's quickly show you how you can do it. So first of all, I'm on the Fire Stick 4K Max, but it's going to work the same on any Amazon device. And we're going to be using an app called Downloader. If you don't already have this, you can get it free from the Amazon App Store. And then we're going to open it up. If this is the first time you're using this app, make sure to allow the permissions. Click up to that search bar, and then we're going to type in letscrackon.org, exactly as you see it here. I'm not going to skip this bit because a lot of people do get lost here, so letscrackon.org. Pause the video if needed, and then I'm going to click on go. Give it a couple of moments just to load up the website, and in the top left-hand corner, you're going to see it says menu. Click on that, and then go to where it says downloads. If you get an advert here, the beauty of watching my videos is I tell you where not to click. Oh yeah, and then click on that cross there. So once you're on the downloads page, we're going to scroll down. And if you're somebody that already uses a custom launcher and you just want the Launch on Boot app, you can get it from the top. But I'm going to scroll all the way down until I find the launchers section. So keep scrolling down. There's loads on here for you to have a look at. And then here we go, Android launchers. So you've got a few different ones there. You've got TV launcher, Wolf launcher. Wolf launcher is the one we're using in this video. So if you like that, simply click on it and it'll download. Ding dangly do. And once it's downloaded, follow the install prompts. I've already installed it as you saw. And I'll click on delete and delete again. So that's how to install the launcher to your Fire Stick. Now if you want it to automatically open with that launcher when starting your Fire Stick, go down a little bit and you're going to see a Launch on Boot app there. Click on that and then we'll go down this list and you're going to see a download button there. Simply click on that, couple of moments, follow the install prompts. Then once it's finished, I'm going to click on done. Very important step is to make sure to delete the APK file. Click delete and delete again. If you do forget to do this and go across to files, it will store these APK files on your device and take up storage. But these are only the installation files, they're no longer needed. Long hold the enter button, click on delete, ding dangly do. Right, so as you can see, one of the main issues with the Fire TV Stick is these grey icons. If you are somebody that sideloads apps, you may have experienced this. And this is one reason a lot of people prefer to use custom launchers. But if I click on that, this is the Wolf launcher. And as you can see, a lot of people prefer this. I can click on the 3-line button, and then what you're going to see, you can add widgets to the top of this. And if I go down to an application and click on the 3-line button, you can create folders, move applications around. So if you like to have movie and TV show apps in one folder, live TV in another, tools in another folder, it is a good way of organising it. So there's been a lot of different ways when turning on the device, it automatically boots into a launcher, but there's been a lot of Fire Stick updates recently, and this has been making it a real challenge. But the Launch on Boot app that we installed, if we go and open that up, just press right on the remote and that'll skip through the steps it shows you. And the options you want to turn on is the top one, so enabled, and then leave the middle one off, and then turn on the launch when device wakes up. Click on select app, and now the beauty of this app is you can launch any app on your device. We're going to click Wolf Launcher, and then you can test it if needed. Click on that and then it'll direct you to the app that you've got set. Now what this does, if I turn off my Fire Stick and then I plug it back in, let me just fast forward this bit. And then we give it a couple of seconds, and then we should see it automatically boot into that launcher. One thing is though, if you click the home button, it is going to direct you back to the Amazon interface or the Amazon launcher, and then you will have to open the application of the launcher app once again. But that is the simplest workaround, and I think a lot of you will find it useful. But yeah, like I said, you don't need to install the Launch and Boot app, we can just use the launcher as is. But that's how you can customize and make your Firestick look totally different. And I did a video recently and I was reading through your comments of why you find a custom launcher to be useful, and I can really see why they are so popular. There are a lot of people that just use a custom launcher to get rid of those grey icons that you see when using Amazon's interface. But then you've also got the customization options, you've got the folders options, so you've got organization. There's just loads of things you can do. And if doing stuff like this is something you enjoy doing, you like changing stuff, you like customizing your devices, I would recommend that you go and check out 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐿. He's always doing this kind of thing, and it's a channel you might find very useful. But yeah, I'm interested to see your thoughts and opinions in the comments section down below. That's how you make your Firestick look totally different and a lot cleaner. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below as well. I'm watching there, and I'll see you soon. Ta-da! I went to a restaurant, and the restaurant. So this is what, and then you can test it if need, and it'll what?